Sometimes you find yourself in an area that really connects with you. And for us, it was Twin Falls, Idaho. We were able to see the impressive Perrine Bridge, the fearless base jumpers. Oh, look, he jumped, Jody, look! And the beautiful, beautiful Snake River. We even saw the Evel Knievel jump site. But our focus for this trip was to see some of Idaho's beautiful waterfalls. The Perrine Coulee Falls flows all year long at almost 200 feet. And this particular waterfall, it will allow you to hike down to the bottom of the falls where you could literally get up close and personal with it. You could even touch the water. I couldn't believe you could get that close. Gorgeous. Oh, look at, there's people walking down there. So we drove about 15-20 minutes eastward so we could go see Twin Falls as well as Shoshone Falls. We were expecting to see two waterfalls, hence the name Twin Falls. However, in 1935, the power plant was built and it totally blocked the South Channel. Hydroelectric power was a bigger priority at the time during the Great Depression, and it also provided many desperately needed jobs for the community. Currently, the power plant is still in use, and after the upgrade in 1995, it provides 53,000 megawatts of power to the surrounding area. But the biggest regret is the loss of beauty that the South Channel provided. Now, before I go any further, let's just set the record straight. The name Shoshone derived from the Native American tribe that inhabited this Great Basin region. The Shoshone tribe played a significant role in the history of the American West, including their participation in the Lewis and Clark expedition. However, the pronunciation of Shoshone, as it refers to the town, differs from the pronunciation of the tribe's name. The locals pronounce the town's name as Shoshone, with a silent E at the end, which is a difference from the pronunciation of the Shoshone tribe. Over time, this pronunciation was embedded into the identity of the town, capturing its unique heritage and the influence of the Shoshone tribe in the region. Shoshone Falls, often called the Niagara of the West, is a waterfall on the Snake River in south-central Idaho near Twin Falls. It's known for its impressive height, surpassing even Niagara Falls. The falls are a popular tourist destination that offers scenic recreational facilities and hiking trails. The height of the fall is 212 feet, and the width is approximately 1,000 feet. The best viewing is during the spring and early summer, as the falls are most impressive during the periods of high water flow from the snowmelt. Taking a breather here at Shoshone Falls, right?
Is it Shoshone or Shoshone?
I think it's Shoshone.
Shoshone Falls.
I think. I don't know. I just think. It's beautiful here.
Been out here all day. First we tried to go see Twin Falls and found out that Twin Falls is no more Twin Falls. It's dried up. No. Then they keep pointing us out here. Turn here, turn here. Here's some directions, and we get there.
That's the diversion from the dam. That's all it really is.
Yeah. How long ago did the falls dry up?
I'll have to research it, but it's dried up. There is no Twin Falls.
There is no Twin Falls in Twin Falls. That's just the namesake. So anyways, if you want to come to Twin Falls, Idaho, you come to Shoshone. That's where the waterfalls are.
Yeah, that's where the action is, over at Shoshone Falls. So we saw Shoshone Falls. We saw the Perrine Coulee Falls. There was another little falls over here that was a little left over. I don't know what that's called. And the most spectacular thing was that the bridge, where the 93 highway is.
Yeah, where all the kids were jumping off the bridge with their parachutes.
The base jumpers.
Base jumpers, that was neat. So we just go to the information center in Twin Falls because we want to see what to do and where to go. And there's a bunch of base jumpers there. And the visitor center is right next door to the gorge, which is right next door to the bridge. So we just go walking over there with all the base jumpers and filmed them jumping off. It was just fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
We've been out here all day.
Yeah. Been a big day.
Yeah. So now we're having a Coke and some popcorn.
I had some cheese.
I don't know what that is that you had.
It was Fritos, cheese, and chili.
Yeah. Heart attack in a...
Heart attack in a bowl.
You should be eating that.
Yeah, I know.
But it's been a good day. A little tired, but it's been a really, really good day. Can't wait to show you all the pictures. Really nice stuff out here.
This is our first day in Twin Falls.
Yes.
We're going to be here until Friday. What's today, Tuesday?
Today's Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yep. So we have
Wednesday
two
and
more
Thursday.
days. 2 more days, and we're going to go out and see some more stuff.
Yeah.
And then we'll share.
We'll share what we find, like it or not.
Yeah.
We hope you like it, though.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll talk later.
Sign off, guys. Bye-bye.
I'll put you on camera.
Dive! No, it's scary.
I didn't know she would do it.
Yeah, she'll do it. She just gave me her word she'll do it. She'll do it.
Gotta give her a second.
Just give her a minute.